Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk, and today I'm going to be talking about broken navicular injury treatment. It's important that you should know that you may be entitled to free private medical treatment for a broken navicular from specialists local to your area. Also, if needed, you could receive guidance and advice from one of our panel of private specialists who might suggest you use a special boot or shoe in order to allow your injuries to heal quicker. Now, broken navicular injuries may differ. As no two injuries are the same, speaking to a private specialist without having to worry about any hefty medical fees could make all the difference in terms of your recovery. If you have had an accident that was not your fault, you could qualify for free broken navicular treatment from a specialist in your local area. Contact us to find out if you're eligible for free private treatment from a broken navicular specialist. That may also include physio treatment if needed by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. We're also going to be going over some of the steps that we recommend you take, as well as looking at information provided by the NHS in regards to dealing with an injury involving your broken navicular. Now, if you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you sustained a broken navicular injury following an accident that wasn't your fault but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you may be entitled to compensation. Now, in order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with navicular injury claims. You may qualify for free private treatment if the accident which resulted in your injury was down to the negligence of others by bringing a claim for compensation. You won't be expected to pay anything upfront, and we'll ensure that all costs are covered if you decide to bring a claim with us. So call 0800 652 7676 in order to find out if you're eligible, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. If you've injured your navicular, the NHS recommends that you rest and raise your foot when you can. Put an ice pack or bag of frozen peas in a towel on the painful area for up to 20 minutes every 2 to 3 hours. Wear wide, comfortable shoes with a low heel and soft sole. Use soft insole or pads you put in your shoes. Try to lose weight if you're overweight. Try regular gentle stretching exercises. Take paracetamol. You should also do not take ibuprofen for the first 48 hours after an injury. Do not wear high heels or tightly pointed shoes. You can ask a pharmacist about the best painkiller to take, insoles and pads for your shoes, treatments for common skin and nail problems. If you need to see your GP, see your GP if the pain is severe or stopping you doing normal activities, the pain is getting worse or keeps coming back, the pain is not improved after treating it at home for 2 weeks, you've had a tingling or loss of sensation in your foot, you have diabetes. Foot problems can be more serious if you have diabetes. Go to an urgent treatment centre or A&E if you are in severe pain, feel faint, dizzy or sick from the pain, have a foot that has changed shape or is at an odd angle, heard a snap, grinding or popping noise at the time of your injury, are not able to walk. These might be signs of a broken bone after injury. So if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in navicular injury and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, we'll be more than happy to hear from you. Now, you should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work, which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. If we take your case on, we'll be more than happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist in order to further aid your recovery and aim to find you one in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way should you require any further treatment to help your recovery. Now, they'll be able to advise you on navicular fracture complications, walking on a navicular fracture, go over navicular fracture surgery options, and navicular fracture radiology, as well as talk about how to prevent further damage to your navicular bone, go over whether you can walk on a broken navicular bone, and explain what does a navicular fracture feel like, and answer any questions like how long does it take for a navicular bone to heal. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.